channel Shaazeel.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
Today we are going to be teaching you how you can dress as a Santa Claus. Meekaeel has a fancy dress competition in his school, and there's a rule in the competition that you cannot buy any clothes. So we thought that we can make it by ourselves, and we have to strain our brains to get good ideas. So let's move on to the video. Top, and what we did is we just made it Santa's top, and Meekaeel had red color pajamas, and we made it as Santa's pants, and we decorated it like this. So guys, as you can see, mom has made lines right here where we are gonna be sticking all the cotton. This chalk to make the lines. Have cut out some cotton strips right here, which we are going to be sticking on them. The mustache, you're going to be taking a small string of cotton and roll it like this. And your mustache is ready. To make the beard, take some cotton, flatten it up and cut it in a V shape and stick in the mustache.
Yes, sir! Yeah!
To finish the look, we had an old Christmas cap. We just used it, and we had a belt in brown color. And you can use any socks like white color, black color. So that was our look. Lastly, don't forget to put light makeup to the fantastic Santa Claus look. Guys, if you try our Santa Claus look, share your photos on our email ID as channelshaazeelmail@gmail.com. Our costume is done. Let's see how Meekaeel looks.
Wow!
This is Meekael's fancy dress setup. We have broke some cotton and put it all over the face. Good morning, ma'am. I am Meekaeel from Pretty B class. I am dressed like Santa Claus. Ha 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 ha! Hello, children. How are you? Are you waiting for your gifts? I am coming tonight. Your gifts. Ha 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 ha! Merry Christmas, land. Jingle bell, jingle on the way. Bye bye children, gifts are on the way. Thank you, ma'am. This is my sister's top. This is my pajama. We stuck cotton strips. We made my dress. Bye, ma'am. So guys, you can be our Santa Claus by gifting us lots of likes and subscriptions. So do it right now.
Oh, you're so funny.
And we stuck some
खत्म। बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया।